Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here. It is from Urbestdeals. Yep, so they sent me a couple things. Well, I picked them out. I like to pick out my own things so I can check everything and make sure that it's, like a stock image or, not really associated with an artist. So I try to do that. I appreciate that they let me do that also. There's just 4 things here. Let's just pick one. Let's move some of these to the side and we'll just get started. All right. So what did we get to show you? I'll show you. All right. All right. Here's the first one. I'm going to move it back just a little bit. Okay, thanks. There you go. Okay. So this is a kind of a nice canvas. It's not super stiff. It's kind of actually pretty flexible. I like it. Looks like it's a full drill. Oh, I saw the picture. This one's super cute. All right, look at the colors. Super pastel. Look at those. They're beautiful though. Basic toolkit comes with this little piece of wax. Okay. We'll look at the drills in a second because those are really pretty colors. And I really like this. This is so pretty. So cute. Wait till you see it. It's got 20 colors. Here's our drill field. I see our drill field over right here. Why not? Look at that. Okay, we got a little bit of confetti going on. We got some color blocking, but we got a little bit of confetti over here and stuff. It's gonna be all pastel, right? All pastel-y. Are we in the sun again? Are we in the sun? My sun is really causing lots of issues today. Yeah. I'm not complaining that we have sunshine, but holy cow. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't it cute? Isn't that adorable? That is just adorable. You guys, that's so cute, right? Oh, I love this. All right, so we have a legend on both sides, and both sides have a picture, have the image, and they have all the DMC codes listed. I love it. Love it. She's so cute. She's so cute. Oh, man. Nice and sticky. The glue is great. Adorable, right? So we know if we measure that, that's going to be about a 25 by 35. I'll do one. You know that we get a lot of these little poured glue kits, and they'll be a little short, about 5 or 6 centimeters short. So this one is 24. All right. And this will probably be then 34, right? Yeah. Okay. So it's 6 centimeters. That would be the whole entire canvas is a 30 by 40, but isn't it just adorable? There was a lot of different animals in that style, and that's one I liked. I liked that one. There's a cute little donkey though too. The donkey's adorable. Anyhow. All right. Let's look at these drills. Okay. All pastel colors. Look at them. Oh, hang on. We got a loose gray one here. Number 1's running free. All right. So there we go. Look at. I know there's the sun, right? I'm trying to show you these, but I get up too high and I'm right in the sun. See that sun on my finger? Can I block it? No, I can't block it. We're just gonna have to deal with the sunshine. Anyhow, pretty colors. That's one of the brightest colors on the whole painting. Pretty, 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 pretty pinks and light blues. There's some light blues, some pretty light blues. Whites. There we go. It's so cute. All right, that's the first one. Let's go this way. Let's move this way. Let's move this way, away from the sun. Let's go down here. Oh, there we go. There. Isn't that something? I have to fight with the sun. I've been waiting all day to record, like since, I don't know, 11 o'clock, I think. Yeah. And it is now 2:30. It just comes in my big window back here. Don't be fooled though. It's not warm. It's not warm at all. Okay. It just isn't warm. No. Okay. Come on. There we go. I need the knife. Let's do a little knife action here. Because this glue is sticky. I can't get through it. Okay. Hey, there we go. Take that, bag. Take that. All right. What else did I get? I don't know. I forget. Okay. I basically opened the bag, I looked in, I could see the one, and then I knew which company this was. Oh yeah. Okay, this one I have plans for. I have to get this done before the end of June. Same basic toolkit. Toss it over there. Here's some colors. Again, pastels. Different, very different color palette, but they are still pastel, right? Okay, here we go. You ready? I think this one's probably going to be about a 30 by 30. Okay, that's what we got. Look at 22 colors. Wow, all letters. Every symbol is a letter. And there's our drill field. Clear, clear, clear. No guide circles, just a circle of color. And look at what it is. Isn't it cute? Welcome aboard. Welcome, 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 welcome aboard. It's like the ship's, wheel. I love it. Yeah, I want to take this one. I want to have this one done as decoration to take to the retreat. I think it's super cute. Yeah. Oh, did I just give something away? Maybe. I don't know. Anyhow, 22 colors. I love it. It's so neat. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I have to get this one flattened out, get these creases out of here. Just pulling the plastic back sometimes will help with the creases. And then I just lay them underneath a bunch of other stuff and they flatten out. Right? Okay. So I don't think I'm going to open up all of these drills. You can see that it is whites, creams, grays, little pinkish colors in there. But taupe. All right, it is what it is. There's going to be a darker blue there, which is probably actually a gray. Honestly, it's probably a gray, but yeah, it's probably that gray right there. Anyhow, it's cute. I like it. Yes, quick little project there. Nice. Okay, another one in the white bag. These bags, I'm telling you what, this glue, if you need to glue something together, we gotta figure out what they use on these bags, because holy cow. Oh, and then let's have another bag. Ooh, I can already tell, look, that one is special drills, look. Special drill. I always try to get a special drill. My special drill collection is growing again, Brandy. You're gonna have more to do for smashing the specials. All right, this canvas is a stiffer canvas. Oh, yeah, okay. I can see the picture now as I'm unrolling it. Ooh, this is going to have some pretty cool special drills in it. Oh, I can already see them. They are cool. Yes, they are. All right, yeah, this is much stiffer than the other two were tougher cloth, tougher canvas, not cloth, canvas. We'll look at these drills in a minute. Those are going to be pretty. All right, you ready? Ready to see what it is? You ready? It's a little bird. It's got a lot of white background, but that's okay. You don't have to do anything to that white background. When I frame that, I would frame that with a bright color behind it, maybe a blue or orange or something, so that everything just pops off. But there are a lot of large special drills on this. We got 9s and 7s, these 10s. There's going to be a lot of large drills. Not that many rhinestones. I mean, the branches are going to be the grass, the stems, things like that. But a lot of nice big special drills. Isn't it cute though? Isn't it cute? I love it. It's so cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Let's see what we have. I can see some of these through the bag already. And there's some nice ones in here. There are some nice ones. We got loose bags. And we got a strip here. So let's look at the strip first. See, there are not that many rhinestones. We have this pretty red, and then a deeper like garnet red, an evergreen color, gold, a blue, and the clear. All right, those are our rhinestones. Then we have these pretty lime green marquees, some gold marquees, some red smooth globby things. I'm still trying to come up with a good name for those. But look at those. How gorgeous, right? That is the most beautiful pink magenta color. That's gorgeous. Love that. Love, love, love that. Look, what number is that? 11. Wow, they're going to go right here. And that blue flower, it's going to have those pinks. Interesting. And then here's the rest of them. Wow. Right? Look at the sparklies, you know, and you can feel these. These are like bumpy. Yeah, they're very textured and bumpy, but aren't they pretty? And that's going to be all of those petals. Yes. Okay. Cute. You know me, I love the birds. Give me birds. Give me birds. Okay. All right. Let's set this over here with these other guys right out of our way, because the other one, I believe, is larger. Yes. And this one is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, get that out of the bag, which I will save because I'll put it right back in the bag. Okay, this one says at the top that it is a 30 by 80. So my guess is it's 25 by 75. We're back to the more flexible canvas. And see, this is what we have to do when we have 75 centimeters long. Ooh, okay, we made it to the end. We got a crinkled corner. All right. So here are two toolkits, the same basic toolkits we've been getting. Here are our drills. I went really pastel this time, didn't I? Sure did. All right. Okay. You ready? All right. Let's see if we can get all of this in there. All right. Look at the colors so far. Just pretty. Peaches, oranges, pinks, and purples. I think the whole thing are those colors right there. I don't think there's going to be any surprises in here. Okay. Ready? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, black. Wait, we got black. And it keeps going. And it keeps going. Oh, we got blue now. Look at it. Can we even see the whole thing? Well, you can. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing? It's just this huge dragonfly and just explosion of color. Splatter of color everywhere. Isn't it cool? It is so cool. I love that. I love it. Now there's both sides have a legend. This side and this side. I just wish that this one was down here, because if I have to flip this upside down, both my legends are at the top. I wish one was down here. Not a deal breaker. I mean, my drills will be labeled and all that, but yeah, see, it's narrow and long, and look at this dragonfly. Ooh, look at him. He's a long, long guy, isn't he? He is so cool. I love that. That is pretty. It has 25 colors. There are DMC codes on the legend. Look at it. It's gorgeous. DMC codes. Yep. All 25. Just beautiful. All right. We'll look at these drills real quick because we only looked at some of the drills. We'll just do a quick run through. All right. I mean, look, just look. I'm just going to kind of go like this. Look at these colors. Look at these. Look at them. Right? Let's do these two together. Look. Pretty. There's that peach. Oh, I love those colors together. The peach and the purple is gorgeous together. Look at it. Just love it. Then we have just some gray. And we have pink and peach together. And peach and gray together. Those, oh my gosh, look at, aren't they beautiful colors? They're gorgeous, right? And then here's the last strip. We get a bunch of white, blues, purpley color, some pinks. Here's our brightest colors, I think, on the whole thing. This bright pink and this bright yellow. Brightest colors on the whole canvas. But how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's gorgeous. Okay. All right, I'm going to clean all this up, and I will make sure I link all this stuff below. I'm in love with this one. This is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to stop. Check them out. And just, search your images before you purchase. And just make sure you don't find it attached to an artist. We do the best we can. All right, guys? Okay, until the next time, thanks so much for watching and hanging out and checking out what I found. And I will talk to you guys soon.